How to see how viewed your TikTok profile on TikTok. So first thing we do, we go to TikTok. As you can see, this is my profile. And now if you want to see or turn on the feature of anyone saw your profile, you will know it. So first thing we do, you go to the top corner right here and click on the eye icon, and now click on turn on profile views, and profile views history now will appear here. If someone now get into your profile and just check your profile, you will see it here. And that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.